And from AI moving into cyber warfare, let's go to something much closer to everyday life, something sitting right in front of your face: smart glasses. Smart glasses are back, and this time, big tech wants people to take them seriously. Meta launched a new range of AI smart glasses starting at $299, and the wider market is heating up too, with Meta, Google, Snap, and others trying to turn glasses into next everyday AI device. The logic is easy to understand. Phones are powerful, but they still sit in your pocket. Glasses sit on your face. They can see what you see, hear what you hear, and respond in real time. That is the dream. The AI that does not wait for you to open an app. The AI that is already there with you. That is the dream. The real test is whether people actually want to wear them. Smart glasses need to be comfortable, useful, socially acceptable, and not make everyone nearby wonder if they are being recorded, which is a bigger privacy concern. Right now, the strongest use cases are simple and practical: hands-free photos, calls, translation, object recognition, navigation, and quick AI assistance. So the bigger question is this: are smart glasses a serious new computing platform, or just expensive sunglasses with a tiny life coach inside? My take is simple: smart glasses are probably inevitable.